Hi, hello, good evening to you. This is Spiller, the IT headhunter. Greetings from the Balaton region and greetings from this nice place, which is a restaurant, and I'm having a nice beer here, and I wish to share some information with you about a new position which is available at the Hungarian Bank Holding in the Foundation program. So, in this video, I will tell you some information and some details about a product designer role, which is in reality a UX and UI designer position. That is to say, this product designer should be specialized in UX and UI. Okay, but before going into the deep details about the product designer role, let me share some information with you about the foundation program. So this is not only a simple fusion of three different banks, but we are trying to build up something completely new, a completely new digital bank. And this bank will be present not only in Hungary, but in the region and in Europe as well. And of course, we work with state-of-the-art technologies, and we try to focus on the most modern technology stack. So this is a very good opportunity for you if you want to learn something new and if you want to build up the bank of the future together with us, together with the team of Foundation and of the Hungarian Bank Holding. So if you want to understand some more details about this program, about the Foundation program and about the Hungarian Bank Holding, then you can check the Foundation HQ on LinkedIn, and you can also check reshapethebank.com. Okay, so after this short introduction, I'd like to share some information with you about the product designer role. So this product designer will be specialized in UX and UI. That is to say, this person will have a special focus of UX and UI. He or she will have to work in an agile team, that is to say in cross-functional teams. You will have to deliver different digital journeys, you will have to deliver different digital products. You will have to collaborate with the product owners. You will have to identify delivery risks. This product designer will have to apply customer-centric design. And of course, you will have to translate concepts into journeys, that is to say wireframes and prototypes. Okay, and after the job description, we can go to the requirements list. And I will have to cheat a little bit because there is a long list. So first of all, we require more than 3 years of experience in UX and in UI design. This person should have understanding of UX research, risk data, of course, and you will have to create and design deliverables. You will have to define user focus. This person will be responsible for establishing info architecture, and of course you will have to use Figma for wireframes and prototypes, and you should be familiar with design patterns. This was the job description and these were the requirements. So if you think that you are a relevant candidate and if you are really interested in this position, please apply for this role in a LinkedIn message, and I can call you back and we can discuss some further details with you. And please follow me on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and on WordPress, where I have a blog. And you can also listen to these job descriptions on anchor.fm if you don't like watching videos or reading blog articles. So thank you very much for your attention and goodbye. Cheers.